Namaste, beloveds, and I am back today. It's the 30th of December, and I'm just wanting to tell you once again that you are not alone, that you are loved, that you are wanted, that you are needed, and you are so appreciated, not just by all the souls around you, because everyone is just taking form and doing different duties and different ways of behavior just to help you on your soul path. You're here, you're important, you're needed, you're going to have a fabulous new year, and I am here to tell you that we all love you, we all care for you, as do all your masters, all your angels, all your guides. And I'm going to be back tomorrow to wish you a happy 2025. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude.